Alright guys, this is paper airplane cornhole. Now to play, what you need is your starting line, and you need a laundry basket about 10 feet away. You also need 3 paper airplanes. Now, as Mrs. Kernan says, there's many ways to make a paper airplane. So we have 3 different designs. One of them's mine, one of them's hers, and one of them's Papa Kernan's. We'll see how they work. Jack, what you're going to do is you're going to have 1 minute. You're going to stand behind the line, and you're going to see how many paper airplanes you can throw into the basket. Okay? So you stand here, you're going to throw all 3 of them. You get 1 point for each one in. Run down there, get them, come back, do it again, okay? All right, you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go. Mama's paper airplane didn't quite work. Oh no, come on, keep going. Max, throw it.
Not going the wrong way.
Throw it, hurry, hurry, hurry.
Yeah.
Go pick up the other ones, Jack. Good job. Let's see, throw it, throw it, throw it. Let's see if we can get it in there. Oh, in and out. Okay, so you can do that for 1 minute. See how many times you can get them in there? It's harder than it looks, guys. Good luck.